What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing the cars. Just what I needed. And I did a video about this 2 days ago, but I guess I lost audio like 3 minutes into the video. So let's try this again. Alright, so let's go. A standard tuning, Cape 4. Just what I needed. Got C major. 1, 2, 3. We got G major. We got A minor. 1, 2, 3. We got E7. And we have an F. F major. I'll play F like this. B, G, 2. A3, D3. Right, so it starts with those hits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, hit on 4. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2 hits. 2, 3, 4. C and G, A minor, E7, C major, G, this is the verse, A minor, E7, C, G major, A minor, E. Fourth time it's different. E7 to F major. Instrumental part, C, G, A minor, F. Second verse, C, G, A minor, E7, C major, G. Downstrokes, A minor, E7, C major, G. Fourth time, same thing. E7 to F, chorus. C, G, F, A minor, C, G, F, A minor, C, G, F, A minor, C, G, F, A. And then we got the solo, right? So that's C, G, A minor, F, verse. So I think that's all the parts, actually. The end, so let's review everything so far. I think the ending is a little bit different when they go between just what I needed. Okay, so intro, just C. 1 hit, and then you do 2 hits. And then every verse is the same. C, G, A minor, E7. 3 times. Fourth time, it's C, G, E7 to F. And then in the in-between part, C, G, A minor, F. So let's call that part 2. And the verse is part 1. And then the chorus, C, C, G, F minor, A, C, G, F major, F major, A minor, C, G, F major, A minor, C, G, F, F. Yeah. Solo part, same thing. C, G, A minor, F. And then the ending. that's it. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Sorry about the audio problem the other day. I don't know what happened. Probably batteries ran out or something. All right. Cool. See you soon. Thanks for tuning in. The Cars. Just what I needed.